Keep getting the "This application encountered an unrecoverable error" message when you try to open Roblox on your computer? Hey there folks, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix "This application encountered an unrecoverable error", so let's dive right in and get this sorted. Solution 1. First, update your graphics driver. Now you can update it in 3 ways: using Windows Update, downloading it from device manufacturer's website, or using Device Manager. Method 1. To update your audio driver from Windows Update, open Settings. Then click on Windows Update and click on Check for Update. Now, Windows will update outdated driver including your graphics driver. Method 2. However, if there are no updates found here, you have to use the Device Manager. To do this, type Device Manager in the search box and click to open it. Then click on the little arrow in front of Display Adapters to expand it. Next, right-click on your graphics card name and select Update Driver. Then click on Search Automatically for drivers. Device Manager will update your graphics driver if there are any available updates. You can also manually update your graphics driver from here. To do this, right-click on your graphics card name. Click on Update Driver. Then click on Browser for My Computer for drivers. Now click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then select the proper driver for your device and click Next. Now, Device Manager will install the driver. After it finishes, close the tab. Method 3. You can also visit your graphics card manufacturer's website and download the updated graphics driver from there. After downloading and installing the latest driver, reboot your computer and check if the error is fixed. Solution 2. If the error is still there, delete all Roblox cache file from your computer. To do this, type Run in the search bar here and open it up. Then type %localappdata% here. Don't worry, I'll leave this in the video description below. After typing this in, just hit Enter. Now, File Explorer will pop up. Scroll down a little and open up the temp folder. Next, scroll down again and find the Roblox folder and delete it. Now check if the error is gone. Solution 3. If not, clear Roblox website data from your browser. To do this, first open up the browser you used to visit roblox.com. Now, I use Chrome, but if you're using a different browser, the settings are pretty much the same, so you just follow along. Now, click on this 3-dot icon and select Settings. Then on Privacy and Security. Then on Site Settings. Now click on View Permissions and Data Stored Across Sites. In the search box, type roblox.com. Now hit that trash icon and select Delete from this pop-up. After this, close the tab, open up roblox.com again. Now log into your account and try opening any games to see if the error is gone. Solution 4. If you're still getting the error, uninstall and reinstall Roblox on your computer. To uninstall Roblox, simply open up Settings, click on Apps, and then Installed Apps. Now scroll down and find Roblox Player for User. Click on the 3-dot button next to it and select Uninstall. Click on Uninstall again and Roblox will be uninstalled from your computer. Now to reinstall Roblox, go to roblox.com with your favorite browser. Click on any games and hit the play button. Now this window will pop up. Click on Download and install Roblox and it'll start downloading the installer. After the download is finished, open up Roblox Player Installer.exe and it will start installing Roblox on your computer. Wait for it to finish, then open it up and see if the error is gone. Solution 5. If nothing worked, try turning on compatibility options for Roblox. To do this, first right-click on Roblox Player from your desktop and select Properties. Then go to Compatibility tab. Now check the Run this program in compatibility mode for box. Next, select Windows 7 from this menu. Also, check the Disable Full Screen Optimizations box. Then, click on Apply, then on OK to save your settings. Now, Roblox should start without this error. So folks, that's how you fix the "This application encountered an unrecoverable error" in Roblox on your computer. If the video did the trick for you, give it a thumbs up. And if you got any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching!